Yeah, we got it. 20, 20, 50, $60. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God, only $5. Yeah, we got it. 20, 20, 50, $60. Guys, I put only $60 into this machine. Let's see how much we get. Oh, come on. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. More? Yeah, good job. Come on. Come on. Yes. 3 more. 3 more we're gonna get grand. Yes. 2 more we're gonna get the grand. We have 13. Oh, that's already. 1 more. 1 more. 7. Oh no. So we got $125 for the bonus. And we have about $15 for the credit. We have total 140. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe my channel, guys, to get a new video, okay? Have a good day, guys. Bye bye. Guys, I got a bonus at 10-cent denomination and bet $5. Bar, the black bar. Oh. Black ball. It's $100 for the bonus. Today we're gonna play with the lightning cash again. 10 cents for denomination. And I'm gonna bet $5 first and then bet it up later, right? Let's do 5, okay? Come on. Oh my god. Mini $100 guy. I hope I get the minor $500 something. Come on. Oh no. Oh my god. Come on. More. Yeah, have a good buyout. Got 1750. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh no. Come on. The suitcase. Where the suitcase? Two more. Oh, God. Suitcase. Okay, now I'm gonna cash out and bet up to 10, right? I'm gonna do 50 cents and bet per 50, alright? Now we're gonna bet per 50. It's okay, come on. Come on. Oh my god. Come on, come on. Oh my god. Yeah, I got a good payout. How much we gonna get? Let's see. Oh, 180? Not too much, guy. Come on, come on, come on. Oh my god. Just give me the suitcase. I want to see the suitcase. Come on, give me the bonus. Two more, two more. Guys, I put $500 into this machine, guys. Come on. Suitcase. Oh. More. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Just went away. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, this one we're gonna win 750. Oh, come on. I don't have so much money today. Come on, Suki. What happened? Oh my god. Suitcase? Oh man. Come on, oh my goodness. I can't believe it. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Yeah, it's $500 gone away, guys. Come on. Oh no. I'm gonna put $100, okay? Okay, guys, I put $170 more and keep betting for 50, okay? Oh, come on. I'm not even with the board. Come on. More. Oh no. Come on. Oh my god. Yeah, it's $670. $42. Come on, give me the suitcase. Okay guys, I lost $670 for this machine. Thank you for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.